Thank you, Dr. Rudra, for your nice introduction. Respected guests from different organizations, government focal point from SARC member state and directors SARC Center, and colleagues from different region. Assalamu alaikum, and I welcome all of you to today's regional consultation meeting on UN Decade of Family Farming, formulating strategies and action to strengthen smallholder family farmers in South Asia. Dear colleague, prior to my today's position, right now I am working at a Bangladesh Agriculture Council, which is the national apex body of national research system in Bangladesh. I led the SARC Center almost 5 years, and I have some loving or some sentimental attachment with this center. And during my last 5 years in SARC Center, I made a significant transformation to make this center more visible by our activities in South Asia. And the colleague will be happy to know that right now Bangladesh has a very tremendous success in agriculture sector, especially last decade. And it was very internationally appreciated by the development partner. Right now, Bangladesh is self-sufficient in rice. We are self-sufficient in meat, self-sufficient in egg. And Bangladesh is now promoted recently in rice production as a third position across the globe. Even in fish growth production, Bangladesh right now in the second position. And since our independence, somebody says Bangladesh like a bottomless basket. The Henry Kissinger, he made a comments soon after independence. But right now Bangladesh is a basket of wonder. And we're happy to know that 24th October last month, the Mark Tully is a very famous journalist who compared the development of Bangladesh agriculture as phoenix from the ashes. Due to the technological transformation and the government policies are helping Bangladesh for today's success in agriculture. And SARC Centers has a very significant role in South Asia to promote agriculture, research and development in South Asia. And SARC Center since 2017, we started the SARC PhD program. Right now, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, and Nepal, they are pursuing their PhD. And this year we are going to offer 2 PhD for India. And they are doing their research work. The main objective of SARC PhD program to develop the capacity of the young scientists of the South Asia. And this center has a very good number of publications. Almost they published 150 books in agriculture sector involving crop, fisheries and livestock. And we also started two multi-country project. That is one of the milestone of this center. And you'll be happy to know right now involving the SARC countries, the SARC center, they are conducting a project on livelihood enhancement of the small farmer in South Asia through small-scale agro-business and value chain development funded by SARC Development Fund, which is located in Bhutan. And very soon we are going to start one project entitled Consortium for Scaling Up Climate Smart Agriculture in South Asia, funded by International IFAD for 3 years. The main objective of these two projects just to improve the livelihood of the smallholding farmers. And under this consortium, we also replicated some of the smart agriculture technologies in the South Asia. So both the country, all the country can benefit from this project. And also you'll be happy to know we developed a book through consultation involving the expert from different discipline. And we published a book on agriculture policy and program framework, priority areas of research and development South Asia. That is one of the very good deed of this center. And this book basically will serve for the program development. A lot of activities we are doing under the umbrella of SARC as a center. And this year, the center is going to arrange this consultation meeting on family farming that is declared by United Nations. And this program is more important, especially for the South Asian region. Though we have a impressive economic growth in South Asia over last decade, but still South Asia remains a home of 40% of world poor and 35% of all undernourished. And with less than 5% of Earth land area, we need to feed almost 1/4 of all populations. Hence, in respect of food, water, energy nexus, lot of challenges are facing by South Asia. Especially food security, one of the major challenge of the South Asian people due to the escalating growth of population, declining per capita land, deterioration of soil water, withdrawal groundwater continuously declining. In addition to climate sensitivity, one of the major threat for South Asian people to sustain our agriculture. And especially in South Asia, more than 90% of total 608 million farms in the world are family farms, and more pronounced in the South Asian countries. United Nations Declaration for Family Farming proclaimed by UN is our opportunity to realize the family farmers and appreciate and promote them for their further contribution to achieve targets of SDGs goal. Actually, you know, the family farming, how important in the South Asia, because lot of multi-benefit we have if we engage our family farming in rational ways. And I believe this program is a milestone to address the need and challenges of family farming through formulating South Asia Regional Action Plan of the UND family farming. And this action plan should include, the action plan should coherent with global action of the UNDFF, align with the target of SDGs at the regional and national level, easy access of input like fertilizer, improved seed, technology and credit, advance our research in the pathway of high-yielding, stress tolerance, market-driven and cost-effective, inclusive, sustainable and efficient value chain development, rural revitalization through promoting agriculture enterprise development to address the COVID-19. And COVID-19 pandemic further highlights the importance of family farming. So I hope this is really very important area. That's why United Nations, they declared this family farming decade. And South Asia, we have a lot of opportunity. If we can involve the family farming and we can create a congenial environment, then we can ensure our productivity, we can ensure our food also in the South Asia. So I thanks the SAARC Center for arranging such important consultation meeting, and I convey my heartfelt regards to all the focal points those are attending today through virtually. And the focal point, you have long experience. So I hope through your discussion, your presentation, your ideas, I hope that today's consultation meeting will be fruitful and effective. And I believe those are attending today's consultation meeting will be able to formulate a truly stakeholder set of policy recommendation, which we can circulate the South Asian leader so that we can work together. And I hope the seminar will be fruitful and your few next hour will be productive and enjoyable. So with this few words, I like to conclude my remarks, because I am not very much expert in the family farming, but it is my belief that if family farming goes wrong, nothing will have a chance to go right, especially in the agriculture sector. So this is my final comments. So thank you all for your kind presence and give me a chance to share a few words with the delegates. So thank you, Dr. Rudra.